could say it's typical of a liberal arts school to have all of these immersive, very hands-on programs and curriculums. And I feel like having film, it's a wonderful extension to the rich art culture that is here already.
I originally wanted to go to Chicago and do film school there, but like now I'm like so grateful that I didn't. I wouldn't have really got like as much hands-on experience, and I know like especially like the relationship with your teachers or even your other classmates, it's more hands-on and you learn how to work more like as an actual like film crew.
Because it's such a small department as well and such a small community, we have the opportunity to ask questions and we get this one-on-one feedback.
Like the class I'm in right now with her, we're doing more like hands-on stuff. It's crew production, so the class is split in half, so we have 2 groups, and each group we had to start all the way from the beginning with coming up with a character, and then we had a script, and then we had to come up with like our shots, and we got to choose who's doing what like crew position.
Getting to pull the camera out of the bag and actually see it and use it. And I remember renting it out the first time. It was such like a magical experience because I was like, I'm doing this myself. Like I'm in charge of creating this story. And so it was a really cool experience. If you would have told my high school self that I was this tiny little freshman who was scared to talk to anybody who's now making films and acting and theater, I would not have believed myself.